What's up, everybody? It's your boy Rudy Ortiz with SoCal Epoxy Post Services, and today we are coming to you from the city of Long Beach, California, the LBC, home of the Snoop Dogg and Sublime. Anyways, I've been getting a lot of questions, or at least a few questions, with regards to removal of the calcium buildup in a tile on a particular swimming pool that I've been restoring here. And well, we finally figured out the solution on how to do it, how to go about it, and how to be successful at it in a fast and professional, very quick way. So I'm going to show you guys how this is done. It's going to be a quick video, nothing too lengthy, not too much talking. Let's just get right into it, and I will show you guys what I do, how I did it, and what tools we need to get it done. Okay, this is cleaning tiles like a pro. Having worked on many projects over the last few months, many of my customers often request for me to either clean up or remove calcium buildup that is usually pretty thick and builds up around older swimming pools in the tile area. Some of the items you will be needing to do this project will be a strong pressure washer, preferably 3000 psi or more. You'll also need a sandblasting kit, which you can pick up for about $190. And you will need some soda blast media and or glass bead media, both which you can pick up at a local hardware store. In this particular scenario, I am using a 50-pound container of glass media, only because the calcium that was built around the tiles was really thick. Here you can see the media that I have poured in this mixer, and I am using the wet sandblaster attached to the hose nozzle of the pressure washer. Having tried many different products on previous projects that I had been working on, I found myself in a situation where I needed to find something that would help remove the calcium in a much faster, easier, and more effective way. I had tried many other methods, such as vinegar and baking soda. I also tried many of the normal household products that you see like in the tile cleaning section of your hardware store, such as CLR or ZEP, but none of them were effective, and none of them were to my particular standards. I needed something fast that can work in a matter of minutes and wouldn't take so long to get the tiles cleaned. So this is the method that I found is more effective, and this is a method that I am happy with, and I found it to be very helpful. So again, you can use sandblast media, glass media, or soda blast media, depending on how heavily the calcium that you have has been built up on your tiles. But this is what it looked like before, and then right next to it, you see what it looks like after. It is a little bit of an expense, especially if you don't own a pressure washer. But if you do have these tools, I strongly suggest you get yourself a wet sandblasting kit and make the best of it. It's a great tool to have. It also removes many other different types of paint or old stains or stuff like that from different types of floors and even some car rust, from what I know. So this is a method that I found to be helpful. This is the way that I found it to be fast, efficient, and I'll let you take a glance at some of the final product, so you can see how nice it left these tiles that I would have otherwise been stranded in getting cleaned and removed for days probably. I was able to get these tiles cleaned up in a matter of hours, and hopefully this video helps you get an understanding of how to go about it and eventually get you some type of solution for those of you looking for calcium removal tips and tricks on how to get it done fast and efficient and clean your swimming pool tiles like a pro. Another reason I chose the glass media over the soda blast media was, again, because of the thickness of the calcium that had built up around the tiles throughout the whole swimming pool. And I really wanted to get something that was fast, efficient, and effective again, which is the reason why I went with the heavier grit of the glass media. However, if your pool is presently filled with water, or if I had water in this particular pool, I wouldn't have gone with the glass media. I would have gone with the soda blast media. Soda blast media will automatically dissolve in the water, as opposed to the glass media. If you're using glass media, you want to make sure that the pool is empty, because the glass will ricochet off the tiles and end up on your floor, and you will have to pick up the excess glass that falls into the floor. And if your pool is full, then you will run into a problem. So make sure that if you're going to be using this stuff, in particularly the glass media, you want to make sure that the pool is empty. If your pool has water in it and you're not planning on draining it, then simply lower the level down to the line where the tile meets the plaster, or in this case the epoxy, and then go ahead and blast it out with soda blast. It'll make your job a lot much easier. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll be posting more videos of lots of pool ventures that are coming up. Thank you.